Good morning, girls. I'm going to teach you the 13th program, that is displaying the emails using displaying the emails with the help of mailing list. Okay, it is going to be, you can write this program in any form. That is the better logic of this program is you're going to create group mails, and you're going to send it the message via group mails. Okay, like your WhatsApp. If I become an admin, I can collect all the numbers, and if I send the message will be delivered in the WhatsApp to every member who are added in the WhatsApp. So, but that is a very big program. So let me just tell you how to create a mailing list. We will see this in the future. That is creating the extended version of mailing list. So first, see, as I told you, first open a notepad, write the PHP codings. So since I'm recording, I have just typed the program and kept it priorly. Okay, here I'm going to create a host whose name is localhost. Username is root, and the password is empty. Okay, the database, I'm just giving any name that is called Origin Corporation. That is, I'm just imagining myself that I own a company and I'm going to create a mailing list. So this is my uh, company name. Okay, DB name is Origin Corp. Now I told you, right, first you need to set a connection, create a connection. So in the previous class, I mean previous video itself, I told you dollar $mysqli, which means the mysql is a variable with improved version I. So I'm using the variable with dollar symbol. I'm creating the object with the help of dollar host, dollar user, dollar password, and dollar db name. Once this mysql connection is created, now I'm going to check that. Look at this. Before going to that isset function, what is the logic of this program is there will be uh, a input box where you're going to type the email, and the moment you click on the submit button, it will be displayed in the local host. So for that only I'm writing a function, I mean query here. MySQLi, yeah, if isset is a function which see, there are two functions used in the web, post and get method. Get method will only deliver small amount of information, but post method will deliver large amount of information. So I'm just using dollar underscore post. When this post will happen, when I'm immediately pressing on the submit button. So isset dollar underscore post, when I submit the action called, when I press on the submit action. Okay, there I'm checking that what I submitted is should be displayed in the localhost. So email is equal to dollar post of email. The email whatever I have typed, that should be posted in the localhost. Okay, now I'm, where do the email come? It is going to collect, it is going to come from the table, email table. Okay, where I'm retrieving the email value. Email is equal to dollar email. Okay, now previous this itself I told you, dollar result is equal to my query, that is my sqli arrow mark query, which is going to display the complete previous query. So what is the previous query? It is going to select the email from the email table. Okay, now I'm going to check whether the number of rows which I have created is greater than 0. If it is equal to 0, then there's no table. So greater than 0, it will give you print, it will print that email already exists in the mailing list. Else it will insert the whatever email you are typing, that into the local host. Okay, so query is equal to insert into email values, email table values, that is email. We are going to only generate email here, not any other values. So email, which is in the bracket values, values from the row email. Okay, if the my sql, I'm just checking the condition. If my sql of query whatever I have selected from the email table is equal to true, then email added to the mailing list. If it is already added, it will give you email already exists. If there is any error, it will give you error adding the mailing list. Okay, So after that, I'm just closing the MySQL of error. It will generate error. Then what I'm doing is the query, whatever query is, select email from email table, result MySQL query. If result greater than 0, echo mailing list. While row is equal to result fetch associate, it is going to associate only the email. So this complete thing is again and again telling you that three simple things are told here. It is going to fetch the table using query, and the query will hold the select star from email table. Then if the email table already has the mail id, then it will give you the error message, give you the message email already exists. Otherwise it will insert the values, email values, in the from the table to the local host. This is what it is complete told. Okay, now you see the finally I'm using a form method, where I'm using an input box to type the email id and give you submit button. Now same way as I told you, after typing all this, just go to Apache exam control panel, where you need to click on the start button. It is already started, so I am just giving start button here. You have to click on start. It will be by default start, so you just click on start, Apache start, MySQL, then you just click on the MySQL also start. Now I'm just going to click on the admin button, which is beside the stop button here. So admin. Now I'm just creating. Wait, before this I'm saving file. Save as. Just click on exam folder, htdocs folder. There I'm clicking PHP programs, mailing list dot php. Just give the save type as all files. Save. So after this, I'm just going to this admin localhost. I told you in my previous video itself. Now this will give you the mailing. Now you create new database. What is the database name I've given? Origin Corp. Origin Corp. That is the database name I've given. Origin Corp. So that I've given here. Oh, 1 minute. So I'm just given Origin Corp. By default it will come as UTF-8MB4 underscore general underscore CI. This is the version which has been created for PHP MyAdmin. So you need not go deep into it. Just click on create button. Database Origin Corp is created. Here I am giving table name as email table. EMEIL TBL. TBL is a short form for table. And number of rows is just one row, because I'm just going to fetch only email ID. So number of rows is one row. Create. Here just give email varchar. Email varchar, I'll keep it as 50. Need not fill in any type. Just give save. Okay. Now you see the table has been created. Email table. Okay. Email table. Okay. The table email TBL has been created. Okay. Now what you need to do is go to localhost. Go to I've just gone to the Google Chrome. Type localhost slash the folder name, whatever folder name you have created. Here my folder name is PHP program slash. Okay. Just click on PHP my. Now I am giving Aisha at gmail.com. Submit. Email is added. You can see, right? Email is added to the mailing list. Now I'm giving Shazana at hotmail.com. Submit. That's added. Again, if I try to add Shazana at hotmail.com, it gives you email already exists in the mailing list. Now I'm giving Syed at Aysha at gmail.com. So email is added. Can you see the output, girls? This is how it will come. Okay. So thank you, girls. I hope this video is very helpful for you.